Today's video is a walking tour of North Market in Columbus, Ohio. If you're ever in the area, be sure to check this place out. There was a ton of different foods to try. It was a little bit pricey for some things, and parking was kind of a pain to figure out. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Shit, I see him. Okay, what are you hungry for? Walk around here. American Nut Company. Wow, there's a lot of cool food places. Oh yeah. So if you've ever been to West Side Market in Cleveland, this market is much nicer. We'll come back around. Let's make a loop and then we'll stop at different places. Lobster rolls.
No fish.
Yeah, no fish.
No seafood, no fish.
Last time we were at West Side Market, I ate some type of breaded soft shell blue crab, and I totally think it gave me a parasite. So
No fish.
no fish. Momo Char. A lot of Asian cuisine.
Now that's a thing for pizza.
What's that?
I said that was a thing for pizza. Look at the raviolis.
Oh wow,
Gnocchi.
that's cool. Lobster. Tiramisu. Oh, tiramisu.
Tomato for mozzarella.
Yeah.
Pesto pasta. That's my favorite.
Market and Boar. That looks good.
Yeah, it does.
Looks greasy. Look at these treats. Candied lemon. Ooh, okay, yeah. Let's keep. We'll circle back. What is this? Olive oils. Wow. Keep an eye out for people behind you.
I know. Have any?
Oh, strawberry rhubarb? What? What is a nibbler? Excuse us. Okay, so picked up a rhubarb strawberry donut. Wow, look at them brownies. Look how thick they are.
Look at those are cheesecake.
Whoa. Oh my god. Making me feel fat already. I don't even need anything. Wow. Some good looking stuff.
Yesterday, I was like, I'm gonna do just for this. Babe, a blueberry stew.
Okay. Remember, we're gonna circle around here. Get an idea of what they got and then pick out some stuff. It's definitely better than West Side Market.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's cleaner and they have more. They have healthier foods, less. Oh, yeah. Oh. I wouldn't try it. We're in a different. Remember virus? Yep. You know what I'm saying? Much as I'm a free sample kind of guy. What's that? Wine tasting.
This reminds me of like Vancouver.
Bottle.
Which was the weirdest thing, but it was like a bunch of wedding that happened to be all those condensed into that because of the smell.
Go try it. Nope. I'm not taking a chance.
Alright, let me go get some wine for your mom.
Got ice creams. Look at that scoop. Pretty cool place.
Salty caramel.
Okay. Ooh, they got desserts over here. Got baklava.
These are Mediterranean dishes.
I wonder how much the baklava is.
Baklava.
Baklava. What is this? Is that spaghetti?
What?
Okay, I need to ask how much these are.
The baklavas.
And whatever that is and whatever.
That is
Bora.
almond honey. Yeah.
Almond honey cake. Oh, fuck me.
Are there grape leaves here? Or $1 for those
Oh, no. Not worth it.
spicy Benedict. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Hi guys.
Hi, how much are your sweets over here?
$2.
$2 a piece?
Piece,
Okay.
yes.
Thank you. What's this stuff that looks like spaghetti?
Those are kataifi. It's a shredded wheat with walnut and honey.
They're good?
It's
Oh,
really good.
okay, let me get one of those. What do you want?
Anything else for you today?
Oh yeah, hold on. Let's get there. You sure you want that?
I don't want the chocolate one, yeah.
No? Okay. Can I get one of these?
The baklava with the pecans.
And then a almond honey cake. They're fighting you. They don't want to leave.
Sorry?
I said they were fighting you. They didn't want to leave.
I don't want to leave.
Okay. Yeah, that'll be all. You guys take card?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is there an extra fee?
No,
No?
it's not. Yeah. $6, please. Go ahead and finish every transaction for me, please.
Okay.
Hi, how are you guys?
How are you?
Good, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you
Have a
very
great
much.
day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Put that in the bag.
Nana said she did good in her cage.
Oh, that's good.
I said, awesome, no mess. She hasn't responded. But she's in the process of
Okay, what else can we get on this flavor adventure?
I want some of that bubble.
The bubble tea?
Oh, right there.
Yeah. We need to also get like real food though.
Yes.
So I almost want to get some of this Momo Gar. Yeah, we'll get some of that Momo. That's crazy. Get a whole dinner for $8.
The tomato cucumber salad, mozzarella,
Those look good.
those grilled chicken sun-dried tomato wraps. They do.
Let's see. Flavors of India.
Those ribs look good. What's this stuff?
This all looks like. Remember that last time? Yeah.
I'll be on the foot. I just got
So,
my stomach.
no
done.
offense to people who enjoy Indian food, but it all looks like different versions of baby poop. Spicy baby poop. Oh, look how greasy and good that all looks. Beef brisket. Okay, so let's check out this olive oil stand and see if we can see what this is. Do you get to try it, or? Excuse me, sorry to interrupt. Do you get to sample this, or how's this work? Yeah? Oh, cool.
Tags have what they are and what they go well with. And if you have any questions you need about food, just let me know.
Awesome, thank you so much. I know you don't want the wild mushroom.
What are these? Samples of the olive oil?
Yep. Wow. That really does taste good.
Ooh. That's the herb one.
Ooh, wow. Oregano, jalapeno, honey, ginger. Oh, you gotta try this one. Try that one. Oh, you'll like that one.
The honey ginger?
Yeah. Okay, very cool.
What's that?
That's banging. You can have the rest of that. So these are all super delicious. If you come here, these are all olive oils. Totally worth trying. You get little sample cups. You can try any kind you want. Super good.
$12.90.
All right. So we got some Mosu ramen.
I broke my chopstick. Do you even know how to eat with chopsticks? 'Cause
Yeah.
I don't.
You want me to show you? Yeah, that straw pop in there with the loaded bubbles. Okay, so are you still hungry for anything?
Not really.
No? Okay.
Make sure you get some bubbles in your mouth. Oh, that's a lot.
That's different. I don't think I've ever had that. Huh. Okay, anything else before we leave? You want any like meats or anything? Sure?
Yep.
Okay. Well, we are out of North Market. We got a little goodie bag. And we are on to our, thank you. You're welcome. We are on to our next stop in Columbus, Ohio.